Hei alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to talk about your work in Norwegian. One of the captivating aspects of language learning is the ability to share personal experiences and stories in a new language. My work, or Arbeidet mitt, Arbeidet mitt, Arbeidet mitt, in Norwegian is a typical topic that many learners find useful to discuss. In our discussion today, we'll delve deep into the vocabulary and phrases related to work, making your conversations in Norwegian more nuanced and engaging. Basic vocabulary. Et arbeid, et arbeid, et arbeid. A work. Et kontor, et kontor, et kontor, an office. En sjef, en sjef, en sjef, a boss. En kollega, en kollega, en kollega, a colleague. Ei lønn, ei lønn, ei lønn, a salary. Et jobbintervju, et jobbintervju, et jobbintervju, a job interview. Heltid, 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 full time. Deltid, 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 part time. En kontrakt, en kontrakt, en kontrakt, a contract. Et yrke, et yrke, et yrke, a profession. Useful phrases. Jeg jobber på et kontor, jeg jobber på et kontor, jeg jobber på et kontor. I work in an office. Hva jobber du med? Hva jobber du med? Hva jobber du med? What kind of work do you do? Sjefen min er veldig snill. Sjefen min er veldig snill. Sjefen min er veldig snill. My boss is very kind. Jeg har et jobbintervju i morgen. Jeg har et jobbintervju i morgen. Jeg har et jobbintervju i morgen. I have a job interview tomorrow. Jeg jobber deltid som lærer. Jeg jobber deltid som lærer. Jeg jobber deltid som lærer. I work part-time as a teacher. Describing your job. When you want to go beyond the basics and describe the nature of your job in detail, consider the following. Position. Jeg er, jeg er, jeg er. Job title. I am a job title. For example, jeg er ingeniør. Jeg er ingeniør. Jeg er ingeniør. I'm an engineer. Daily task. Hver dag. Description of tasks. Hver dag. Description of tasks. Hver dag. Description of tasks. Every day. Description of tasks. For example, hver dag designer jeg bygninger. Hver dag designer jeg bygninger. Hver dag designer jeg bygninger. Every day I design buildings. Teamwork. Jeg jobber i et team med number andre. Jeg jobber i et team med number andre. Jeg jobber i et team med number andre. I work in a team with number others. Sharing personal opinions. Norwegian language learners will eventually want to share more personal insights or opinions about their work. Here are some phrases to assist. Jeg elsker jobben min fordi. Jeg elsker jobben min fordi. Jeg elsker jobben min fordi. I love my job because. Noen ganger kan jobben være utfordrende. Noen ganger kan jobben være utfordrende. Noen ganger kan jobben være utfordrende. Sometimes the job can be challenging. Kollegaene mine er støttende. Kollegaene mine er støttende. Kollegaene mine er støttende. My colleagues are supportive. discussing future plans or ambitions. Jeg ønsker å få fremme snart. Jeg ønsker å få fremme snart. Jeg ønsker å få fremme snart. I want to get promoted soon. Jeg drømmer om å starte min egen virksomhet. Jeg drømmer om å starte min egen virksomhet. Jeg drømmer om å starte min egen virksomhet. I dream of starting my own business. Fremtiden ser lys ut. Fremtiden ser lys ut. Fremtiden ser lys ut. The future looks bright. Whether you're networking with professionals in Norway, preparing for a job interview, or simply having a casual conversation with a Norwegian friend, discussing Arbeidet mitt, Arbeidet mitt, Arbeidet mitt will surely come up. By mastering the vocabulary and phrases provided in our discussion today, you'll be well equipped to share about your professional life and engage in deeper, meaningful conversations in Norwegian. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you learn from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, one-on-one private classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.